What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Ford Edge started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Ford Edge started. We're going to be doing it on a 2020 Ford Edge here, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to Ford Edges that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob here to demonstrate. As you can see, if I press the buttons, none of them are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is go into the center console. And if we take a look at the bottom of the center console, we're going to see that there's a little tray in there. And that's where we need to place our key fob. And we need to place it in there with the top of the key fob, the part with the light, facing the front of the vehicle, and the buttons facing up. So you need it sitting in there like that. And then once you have that placed in there, you can start it just as you normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.